Nessa Sunshine here, and today we're getting into the BH Cosmetics Love in London palette. So if you want to see how to get this look, and basically it's the same sort of look that I've done with the purpley periwinkle one I did with the Kathleen Lights pigment, this is basically how to do it with this palette. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and let's get in the tutorial. I'm starting with my brows and a set base. If you want to see how I do that, go ahead and click up there. So this is the Love in London BH Cosmetics palette. First I will take the Shadow Big Ben, and I will be using the Zoeva 134 Luxe Fusion Powder Brush. And I'm moving all around the crease, taking more of Big Ben. I'm placing that in the crease above the crease of the eyelid from the very beginning to the very end and flicking out the tip. Keep on adding Big Ben until you feel that you have built up your shadow until completion. And blend, of course, in swiper motions. And now go ahead and add Big Ben to the other side. Now I'm going to go into Piccadilly to deepen up the crease. And I will be using the Zoeva 228 Luxe Soft Crease Brush. I'm placing Piccadilly in the center of the lid in the crease area above the crease. And I'm using the very tip of my brush. This is a tinier brush, so it's able to apply in a very specific way. I'm moving in very short swiper motions back and forth, going out to the outer center and then going in. I'm going to bring it in a long swiper motion, going inward in the crease above the crease area. I don't want too much color here. I want it to be lighter. Not too light, but a little bit lighter. Taking more of Piccadilly. Piccadilly. I'll add more of Piccadilly to the outer area, and I'm going to flip up here a little bit. As I keep doing the swiper motions all the way across the lid, I'm holding my brush now at a slant. I may have been doing that before, who knows? And I am blending out and up a little bit. Go ahead and add Piccadilly to the other side. So now we're going to cut the crease all the way across. I'm going to use some Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, place it on my hand, and I will be using the Nabla White Rose Cut Crease Maker Brush. I'm going to look straight forward in my mirror and place the concealer right on top. So I have my creases here. I'm placing the concealer higher than that as my eyes relax, and I have semi-hooded eyes. I want the shadow to be able to show through that. I started placing the concealer in the center and moving down into the inner corner. I kind of lift my brow to clean up. And I'm keeping my eye relaxed and attaching the concealer over here as well. I will eventually be cleaning up this area right here, kind of where it would wing. So I'm going to bring the line up like that. And I don't want to clean up too far in, so I'll go to the very outer corner and clean up from the furthest area, and then I will bring in the concealer from there. And I'll keep on adding the concealer and connecting it and cleaning it up. I will look down into my mirror and slowly go over, and then what I'll do is I'll add this all over, use my ring finger very gently to smooth it out, and then I will do that to the other side. I'll start off by adding the Shimmer Tea, and then we'll get into the Shimmer London. And I will be using the Luxie 141 Mini Round Brush. With my pencil brush, I am bringing tea onto the lid. I'm adding more of tea in the center or the third quarter of the eyelid, just swiping it all around. I won't bring this all the way up. I will use a very flat brush to bring it up. I'm also going to start to bring it in the inner corner. I didn't want to add too much of it. I don't know if that will make a difference. I'll take my cut crease maker into tea. I've cleaned off the concealer. Gently add it to the top of your crease. Take your time, relax, and unwind. Okay, go ahead and add tea to the other eye, and then we'll add London. Next, I will take the Shadow London, and I will be using the Luxie 141 Mini Round Brush. And I'm going to place it on the outer corner, starting in the outer corner lower half of the mobile eyelid. Blend it into tea. I'm going to keep moving it up onto the lid higher and higher, and I'm going to blend it over tea. I'll probably use this brush to get really close. I want to be careful on the outside of where I've cut the crease. I do want to flick a little bit upward, and I'm not worried about this outer area. I'm adding more even closer to the top of the crease over here. And then I'm going to blend it out here as well, and then we'll clean it up. go ahead and add a London to the other side, and then we'll come back together and we'll clean this up with a napkin. I've actually already cleaned up this side so you can kind of see this is what we're aiming for. I'm going to think of this as like a winged liner, like a giant winged liner. Go from not the tip of my nose or the edge corner of my nose, but from this area, I'm going to imagine a diagonal line reaching up and cleaning up. Okay, and I will clean up from there. Clean up until you feel that the end corner looks appropriate on you, and then be careful not to clean away too much, and then go ahead and do that to both sides. So I've popped on my lashes. These are the Lotus Lash Yarzabeth Lash in the style. I just said the style. And I'm also going to put on some liner to the waterline. So this is the Shockwave LA Girl Electric Blue Liner. I'm applying this in the waterline. This is a very skippable step, so is lashes. If you don't like to apply false lashes, go ahead and just put on your mascara, or if you have whatever kind of lashes, whatever, you know, it's all up to you. So if you want to add blue liner to your waterline, add it, and if you don't, well, then skip the step. So now it's time to put on our face makeup, our lip, all of that, and then we'll come back and do the rest of the lower lash line together. And voila, we have a miracle moment. We're going to finish the lower lash line. And by the way, the lip combination I have is the lip liner in Romanticize and the lipstick in Chloe from Nabla Cosmetics. I'm going to mix Big Ben and Piccadilly. And I will be using the Nabla White Rose Precision Shader Brush. I'm starting from the outer corner, blending all over the lower lash line. I'm going to blend it low, kind of where I feel my eyeball. I'm going to kind of blend it up into the wing. Go ahead and do that to the other side. And oh, almost forgot. For the inner corner, I'll take the shadow Cheeky. And I will be using the Luxie 141 Mini Round Brush. I'm placing it in the inner corner and moving it in a circular motion. I love a bright inner corner. You can skip this step or you can add it. Inner corner highlight is not everyone's cup of tea. Tea, we have that on our eyes. Going to add mascara. You can add mascara to this look or you can skip mascara. I like to add mascara to my lower lashes. Make sure, of course, to add mascara to both sides if you are adding mascara. And that completes this look using the Love in London palette. So if you like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram at nessachicas. That's it for today. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye now.